Okay, so this video is a quick one about how much memory Windows 10 is using when it's sitting idle and when it's not doing anything. So yeah, this is pretty much, I was thinking it would be useful for someone to know how much memory your computer really needs nowadays. This is the latest version of Windows 10. Opening Task Manager, and this is the memory usage. I'm not doing anything on this computer now. It's just sitting pretty much not used. Just some background processes and the things that use up your memory. So you can see the processor, it's pretty quiet. And the most important thing I want to show you now, how much memory Windows 10 uses when it's in idle. And it's less than 5 gigabyte. This computer now has 32 gigabyte and it's in 4 slots of DDR4, and it's the Ryzen 7 3700X. It's a pretty good processor. It's a really good processor actually. And it's really interesting to have so much memory and just watch it sit at basically like less than 20%. How much is this? 15%. Yeah, 15%. So graphics card is RTX 2060 to 2060, and now it's just quiet. And when I use normal applications, the memory doesn't really go above half. So nowadays that means 16 gigabyte of RAM of memory, DDR4 on our latest build computer, Ryzen or Intel, whatever. It's more than enough for regular applications. I don't know if games would use so much memory. I think the graphics card would matter more. But if you do video editing, then, and especially in 4K, then it's nice to have 32 because you have some bursts when it needs more memory, so it's nice to have that available. But if you don't do video editing, I think video editing is pretty much the biggest requirement for a lot of RAM. Yeah, hopefully you didn't fall asleep while watching this. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you next time. If you have any questions you want to find out about computers, let me know, write a comment below, and ask for a video if you want to see a specific video about this processor, about cooling. I won't make too many changes to it because I want it to keep working, but still, if you want to see something that is not too difficult to do, let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.